Bath & Body Works 2023 Halloween collection is now in stores, and I know a lot of y'all been waiting for this collection. So let's check out this collection and see what we could find. The Moonlit Graveyard collection features 7 items. This candle, the 3-wick candle, is $37, but it does come in a single wick, the mason jar, so you can get that one with rewards. As far as the 3-wick candle, I highly recommend you wait until they do like a $14.95 or a $13.95 sale. But again, there's 7 items in this collection, so I'm sure you can find something within your price point. There's about 11 plugins that come in this Halloween collection, ranging from $15 all the way up to $40. Some light up, some project an image on the wall, and some just use the refills. So I'm sure you could find any price range or any price point that you're looking for, or any style that you're looking for in this collection. For me, this is a pass, and I feel like these plugins are starting to be a little bit expensive, but that's just my opinion. The 3-wick luminaire, I think that's what they call it, candle holder, $250. Oh my gosh. But I know a lot of people be super excited to see this, so my store got 2. They sold 1. Everlasting Magic features 6 items in the collection, a $37 3-wick, but this collection does not have a single wick, so please wait for a better sale if you want the candle. Vampire Blood is the biggest collection in this release. It features 19 items, from candles, from body care, from soap, a lot of nice things. I honestly like this collection better than all of the other ones. They really did an amazing job with this Vampire Blood collection. The Skull and Roses 3-wick candle holder clock. $70 is the price point. The face of the clock supposed to glow. I don't know, because there wasn't a battery inside of it, so I don't know. This is actually really nice. It's heavy in weight. I don't know if I would pay $70 for it. I most definitely could see this clock going on clearance, around semi-annual, because that's the same thing it did last year with the marble one. So yeah. This Dripping Rose single wick candle holder retails for $20. I really like this single wick candle holder. I'm still kind of on the fence about buying it. Haven't really made up my mind about it, because once I set that single wick candle on it, it kind of wobbled a little bit. So that's the reason why I didn't purchase it. But again, I'm still thinking about it. You never know. This skull head cosmetic bag retails for $19. It's nice, but it's a pass. The Midnight Spell features a high dollar $37 candle, wait for a sale, as well as 7 items in the whole entire collection. Nice collection, but I'ma wait. If you just want something from the Halloween collection and you don't want to spend a lot of money, I recommend the pocket bag holders. It's 6 in the collection, or the car holders. There's 3 in the collection. Also, the candle holders. There's a total of 8 candle holders ranging from $15 all the way up to $70. And we have that bonus one, which is $250 if you want to just go all the way out. I'm just saying. But my favorite collection in the Halloween release is the Vampire Blood. I really feel like they put a lot into that collection. It's the biggest collection for Halloween. So that's my favorite one, the Vampire Blood. Some of the fall body care items has been released inside the store. I just did a quick look. To me, that squirrel looked like a dog. I'm just saying. But some of the body care is inside the store, so I did look at that stuff like really quick. I really didn't smell a lot of it. I love the way it looks, but for right now it's gonna be a pass until we have the upcoming sale, the Try It to Believe It sale. Once we have that, then I might grab some of the fine fragrance mist. Until then, I was just looking. A lot of this fall stuff is repackages, so I probably won't be buying any because I still have some from last year. I really do like the champagne apple and honey, and as well as the pumpkin marshmallow latte is really nice. So I already have that stuff, so it's a pass for me. But one thing I will be getting is this ivory cashmere. Last time when it came out, I think I only grabbed one, so I will be grabbing that. As far as this leaves is a pass for me because it smells exactly like the candle. So if you love the candle, I'm sure you will love the body care. Now, I might just grab a fine fragrance just to have it, but I really don't see myself really wearing it, but yeah. Okay, y'all, I got the bag, and I think I showed y'all that I got the bag. I just really got all the high dollar candles, the ones that's $37. I just really got all of those because this is a pretty decent sale to get those. I didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay the $14.95, which I really didn't want to do, but I just went on and did it. Also, I grabbed this. These were $12.95. I did use rewards. I grabbed 2 of them, and it's actually soap on the inside, Vampire Blood soap. These are 12 ounces. So yeah, regular soap is 8 ounces, 8.75 ounces. So yeah, I grabbed that one as well. And I grabbed this little thing. Not that I need it, but I thought it was kind of cute. I did use a reward on this, which I probably should just went on and paid. Well, $14.95, yeah. I used a reward on this. And then I just got the 3 candles. Yeah, that's basically all I got. So, I probably will come back. Maybe I haul this stuff on another video because it's so hot. It's so hot. And I know I can't record in my car because it's extremely hot. So don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girl some comments. Shout out to all my MVP riders. Thank you for always holding me down and supporting me and watching any and everything that I post. I truly appreciate it, and I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.